Although Samsung has not officially announced the Galaxy S24, several facts regarding its features and look are already known. The three phones in the lineup are expected to be similar to previous generations, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra having the most substantial upgrades. Recently, images that seem to reveal how the phone would look have been released, and they appear to be pretty accurate and realistic. Super Rotor has revealed concept images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, attempting to offer a thorough look at its design. These images show the speculated titanium frame with flat edges and a flat screen. There is a tiny curve between the side rails and the screen, as well as a slight curve where the titanium side rail meets the glass back. The front of the Galaxy S24 Ultra features a 6.8-inch screen surrounded by thin and uniform bezels. Turning to the back, the phone is equipped with 4 cameras, including a primary rear camera with an impressive 200-megapixel resolution, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom. For selfies, the front camera is expected to remain the same with a 12-megapixel resolution as seen in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy CPU, 12 or 16 gigs of RAM, and storage choices of 256 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1 terabyte. The operating system is most likely Android 14, with 6.1 software. Rumors say that a new ad-driven digital voice assistant will be included, with features such as real-time language transliteration during conversations, text-picture generative AI, and other AI functions. These AI capabilities are believed to be powered by Samsung's Gauss AI mode. Are you looking forward to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.